Hello friends, so let's quickly learn the difference between zoneless and Zone.js. So this Zone.js is a traditional system and this zoneless is a new change that comes in Angular. So let's learn all our differences. So let's start. So first thing is, so as we know, firstly we have Zone.js in our application, then we have this zoneless which is signal based. So in this the difference is of the change detection. So in this in zoneless what we have manually by signals, event handlers and explicit updates. But in the Zone.js what will happen automatically by passed async APIs like so means it basically passed with these APIs set timer promise and attribute. So this basically traditional way of like doing the things. Next is the chain detection cost. So this CD is chain detection. So in this Zone.js base, the cost is high. So if you see check if the uh, full component tree higher patching. So take a full component. So in this zoneless, what we have only reactive dependencies are updated. This is a major difference. So the performance. So I will show you like where this Zone.js is in our Angular project in the traditional system. So next is so in this state model in the if we come with the state model, so in this implicit by template binding. In this zoneless, what we have to advise X signal computed effect. So we have different things in the zoneless. Next is so in this if you see here, so this is a normal code with Zone.js base. So Zone injection runs automatically after any async operation or event, even unrated ones. And you see just zoneless thing. So in the zoneless we create signal base, and if you see here we are just creating a signal, and in the signal what we are just updating with the increment and only updates UI when count signal changes, nothing else triggers the render. So this is a signal way. So next is, so in this file, in this polyfill file we have the import ZenZS. So means this thing is now going like in the new Angular version. So means that we are going zoneless, so we do not need this. So means it basically it basically reduce the build size also if we are removing the ZonJS. That is a great feature. And last is like means in this ZonJS, like this is a default in our application, but zone for the zoneless, what you need to do, you need to update the providers. So yeah, it means you can try this zoneless. It is very good. It is a good build scheme, improve the performance, and definitely it will improve the load time and all. So thanks guys for watching. Do like, subscribe, and stay tuned for the more content. I will talk about more topics later. Thanks guys for watching.